This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a part of the Paloma Group for HvacRepairGuy Corporation, which is a wholesale distributor of HVAC equipment. They are only available through their dealer network in the USA. The brand features TXV refrigerant controls and all-aluminum coil construction which resists corrosion, but their guarantee is only average when compared to other brands. The MPH-1PZ models are basic single-stage air handlers with PSC blower motors, while the MPH-3VZ models are for three-stage operation and feature variable speed blower motors and a Wi-Fi-enabled control board. The MPH-2CZ models feature constant torque blower motors with TXV refrigerant controls, while the MLHMVZ models have variable speed blower motors, state-of-the-art electronic expansion valves for refrigerant control, and Wi-Fi-enabled control. The MLHMZ models have modulating ability so that they closely match the needs of the home, which results in longer heating and cooling cycles and enhanced comfort. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.